Hi, I'm Young Kim, a postdoctoral associate at the University of Maryland. I will present the Data at Hand project, which was done in collaboration with Bongshin, Arjun Srinivasan, and Choe. Smartphone is a common place to view and access the self-tracking data. As fitness trackers are usually accompanied with smartphone apps, which provide data visualization to explore the collected data. Due to the small smartphone screens, it is challenging to explore personal data on a smartphone by comparing different time periods or navigating through the timeline. For example, typical fitness apps allow us to choose the scope size from a given set. In addition, navigating to specific dates is surprisingly limited, often making us infinitely scroll. To overcome this limitation, we incorporated natural language. Expressing date and time in natural language is flexible and expressive. And people already know diverse ways to express date and time. We combined speech with traditional touch interaction to leverage the synergy of these complementary modalities. Touch and speech have different strengths in the smartphone context. The novelty of this work is that we supported the combination of touch and speech in the context of self-tracking data on mobile devices. Let's see the demo video.
I open Data at Hand, and it shows the past 7 days of my data. I will extend the scope. January 1st. Oh crap! I see my step counts dramatically dropped since mid-March, the COVID-19 lockdown. Days I met my step goal. The highlighted days have gotten sparse since March. What about other activities? The sleep ranges also dropped since March similarly. I will take a detailed look at it. First, I will check my recent sleep patterns. Sleep range of this month. Days I woke up earlier than 7:30 a.m. Only 5 days? How terrible. Now I'm curious how my sleep differs from last year's. Compare with last August. The average sleep schedule of this month is shifted by an hour late, and the bedtime and wake time are more irregular this month. What about right before the lockdown? February 2020. Similar difference. Now I want to see the impact of the lockdown from the monthly trend. Show 2020 by month. I can see an upward trend since May. I'm going to bed earlier and waking up earlier. It's a good sign. What about other activities?
We conducted an exploratory Think Aloud study with certain long-term Fitbit users across the US. Participants freely explored their Fitbit data using Data at Hand for about 20 minutes. We found that participants strategically chose the modalities in different cases. Using speech was generally received to be fast and intuitive. Participants actively used speech for switching time periods and executing long and complicated commands. Participants combined touch with speech when they fine-tuned the parameters on the screen, such as when they modify only one period while comparing two. For more details on the results, please refer to our paper. With Data at Hand, we demonstrated that supporting flexible time manipulation can powerfully facilitate the visual exploration of personal data. Also, our participants could quickly learn and adopt multimodal interactions in exploring their data on smartphones. In closing, we invite the HCI community to engage in the multimodal interaction research for personal data visualization. For additional details, please refer to our paper and website. Thank you.